side, Batman. Alright, today we're going to talk about the Exhaust Burger Grill. Check this out. Apparently, if you're not too fast and too furious and you don't want that huge exhaust can on the back, that fart can on your rice burner, you could always put one of these sweet attachments on. And with this right here, you can cook you a burger on the go with your exhaust fumes. So, yeah, look at this thing. I don't know about this. This doesn't seem so safe to me. And first thing I notice is, you better be single because you ain't cooking but one burger at a time. And how long is it to cook this burger? And how clean you gonna keep this bad boy? Wow. And then, you will start wanting to know, does it taste like charbroil? Nah, more like motor oil. So if you're always on the road, constantly on the go, and you're tired of eating those fast food burgers, this is for you. The Exhaust Burger Grill. Get one now. It may not be legal in all 50 states. It may cause you to fail an emissions test.
Man, I could start a food truck in my old van since I don't live in it anymore, and I could call it Exhaust Burgers, and I could drive around and have a bunch of attachments and cook burgers and make stops and sell them. That'd be great.
And what van is this?
You know, the one I used to live in down by the river.
Does that thing even run?
Hell yeah, it does. Like a top. It's going to be nothing but burgers and bitches from here out.
Don't just stand there.
I'm cool.
And now, Lil Reaver.
Man, on the wall, tell my ass is 10 foot tall. Mix me up a magic potion, pimp my carrots, 3-wheel motion, run around the woods all day, looking for some shit to slay. Wooden chest, yeah, just got paid. Don't be mad, it's just that way. I can see you stand over here. You just keep looking. That's right, you drink this in. Yo, green eyes, coming at you. When you get the hell, motherfucker, you tell them Lil Reaver sent you.
Barbarian, 60-page magazine-sized comic book, out now, only at GibberandDougStoreNV.com. And there it is in all of its glory.
The sex dungeon, huh?
Hell yeah.
It's a rape van?
Hell no, you need a consent form to ride this ride. If this van could talk, it'd be just like that dune buggy from Hanna-Barbera. That'd be sweet. Speed buggy. So I'm gonna change the motto from when this van's a rockin', don't come a knockin', to when this van's a grillin', you better be chillin'. This is gonna be a gold mine. Yeah, man, single exhaust is for chumps. Dual exhaust, man, I'm going a V12, open exhaust all the way through, 12 open pipes. We're gonna be grilling burgers left and right. It's on. Twin turbos to cut down the cook time. There's gonna be some high-octane burger cooking. I heard each grill adds an extra 10 horsepower to the rear wheels.
Is that street legal?
Street legal? This 1969 Ford Econoline doesn't have to follow any of that. It's grandfathered in. It's nothing but freedom on the open road.
All right, girl, turn the goddamn motor off. Get out, Dolomite.
Dolomite's not in here.
Don't give us any of that bullshit, baby. We know he's here.
Look for yourself, motherfucker.
She's telling the truth. He's not here.
Well, where is he?
Breathing down your neck.
Jive turkey. Hell yeah, purrs like a kitten. You getting in?
I guess. Why is the seat so crusty?
Don't ask, don't tell.
You weren't in the army.
Nah, but I was in the Kiss Army.
Hey, girl, fuck you. See, I don't care what you do. 'Cause you've been running around, yeah, I'm running. Fuck, I'm running away from you. All of my friends don't
Game over.
Man, how are you paying for this?
Your credit card.
I don't have a credit card.
Do now. Man, I had to get one with really high interest rates. You need to work on that credit score.
Texas fried doom chicken. It's so good, it's illegal.
Man, they cook faster on the highway. In town, they need an extra 10 minutes. Oh, crap.
Idiot.
Oh, crap. Man, the health department showed up. I thought they were from the hospital. Who knew I needed a license? I don't even have a license to drive this van.
What?
So I got the hell out of there. Ended up running over the neighbor's cat on the way here.
What?
You think they know about the cat? Gonna be nothing but burgers and bitches from here out.